Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial using the Aphrodite palette from Bad Habit Beauty. You can purchase this palette on shophush.com and you can also get it on their app. This was the first time I used the palette on my eyes and I'm very satisfied with how it came out. This palette is only $10 and I will link it down below in the description box if you want to purchase it and if you want to see how to create it. And keep on watching! I'm using the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. Now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. For the eye look, I'm going to be doing a half pink cut crease. Most of the color is going to be focused in the crease since we are cutting the crease anyway to add that pink glitter. I'm going to be taking blushing first and use that as a transition color. You do need to tap off your brush because it does pick up a lot of product. And I'm using this Real Techniques brush. It's a base shadow brush. Every time I tap my brush into the palette, I have to tap off the excess because it picks up so much product. But these shadows are very pigmented. So I'm going back in with the shade Blushing and building that up in my crease again. I'm using Flirt now. Okay, after packing all of that color on, I'm going to blend that. I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and the colors Flirt and Blushing, and I'm just going to run that along my crease so that my crease will be more defined. I used these two shades and now I'm going in with Lust. I'm going to be using this detailer brush from Real Techniques and my NARS Soft Matte Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Macadamia. To do a cut crease, I'm going to follow my natural crease line first. I'm actually going to switch out my concealer and I'm going to be using the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer in the shade 3 Medium Light. And now I'm going to set that concealer and I think I'm going to be using the shade Beauty right here. These glitter shades have more fallout. I'm going to be using the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma because I want the lid to pop more than it is already. I'm going to be using an accent brush from Real Techniques. I really like the outcome of it, and now I'm going to put on liner. So I'm going to be putting on mascara and I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and this is still the sample size. I still have a little bit of product left in this and I'm going to use every last bit of it because I love this mascara. But I already have the full size, I just haven't opened it yet. My eyeliner is looking a little bit thinner than how I would normally do it. But it is okay. For lashes, I'm going to be using House of Lashes Boudoir Lite. I'm using my Revlon Precision Dark Eyelash Glue, and this is the brush-on one. And when applying your lashes, you always want to make sure that the lash glue gets tacky, so wait about 30 seconds before applying it. And now that my lashes are on, I'm going to move on to doing the rest of my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD foundation in the shade Y245. And I'm taking my Nude Beauty Blender and blending that out. I'm pretty satisfied with how the eye look came out. This is definitely a beautiful palette. I would have bought this even if they didn't send it to me. It's just shipping, you know. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer that I used earlier. Today for highlight, I'm going to be using the Glow Kit from Anastasia. This is the Sugar Glow Kit that my friend Jackie got me. In my opinion, you can never have too much highlight. So I'm going to pack on my highlight until it is blinding. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. It took me a while to film this and the sun has gone down. And if you guys don't have a Valentine this year, I will be your Valentine. Bye everyone! Something is in my eye. Okay. There's a cat in my backyard right now. You can do what you want, but it is not recommended, you know?